Thanks for joining as we take a tour of the PEZ Visitor Center in Orange, Connecticut. There is a cost for admission to the Visitor Center. It's $5 for adults. Seniors and children 3 to 12 are $4 and under 3 are free. With that, you do receive a $2 credit for each ticket, which can be used in the gift shop. The credits can be combined with others in your party. There's a combination bingo and scavenger hunt style game that you can play while you're there. The goal is to locate different PEZ dispensers throughout the Visitor Center. The reward for finding them all is a spin on a wheel that lets you know what PEZ dispenser you'll receive for free. There are an unbelievable amount of PEZ dispensers on display. There are also other PEZ branded items such as promotional posters, signs, and interactive games. The factory floor wasn't operating when we were there. Check the website to find out their schedule. We publish 3 new videos each week, including cruises, hotels, airport lounges, Disney trips, and more. So be sure to subscribe to be notified about our new videos.
Oh, he's right there.
Most of these cases have dispensers grouped by theme. There's holiday cases, Disney, trucks, and a lot more. You can spend a lot of time looking through each exhibit. You'll likely recognize some, but probably not all of the PEZ dispensers on display. There is a second floor with plenty more to see, so be sure to take the stairs up to take a look. I am moving pretty quickly through the Visitor Center. I would say a normal visit is more likely to be around 45 minutes or so, though some people may want to spend a bit more time than that. You'll also be able to look down on the exhibits on the first floor, and that's kind of a neat thing to see as well. If you have a question, be sure to post it in the comments. We'd be happy to answer. You can see a lot of visitors wearing a PEZ lanyard. Those are free with your paid admission. Not surprising, there is plenty of PEZ merchandise to look through and to use your $2 credit towards. There's also a place for a life-size PEZ photo opportunity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to be notified about our new videos.